Email is absolutely not dead. Ironically, it's not as crowded now. It's a great time to get in there. I know there's a lot of noise out there. There's Instagram, there's Facebook, there's TikTok, there's text marketing, it's overwhelming to the consumer. But the reason email is still so powerful to me, it's one of the touch points. They say in the world of marketing, a prospective customer has to see you 3, 4, 5 times before they make a buying decision. So maybe Facebook or Instagram will be one of those touches. Maybe a text marketing message will be another touch. Maybe it'll be a radio advertisement or TV or SEO or a billboard or something, but email to me is an amazing touch point. And whether they read it the same day or 3 days later, it's there waiting for them. And it's gonna be your obligation to find out what you're gonna offer and make darn sure it's something they can't live without. Be essential, and they'll look forward to seeing your emails. Hello, we're gonna talk about how to help grow your aesthetic, beauty, and medical biz with the world of email marketing. Some of the oldest tricks in the book. We're gonna learn 1, how to make email marketing work for you. 2, how to get and grow your email list. 3, how to get people to open your emails, of course, plus a secret Louology trick. Let's rock and roll.